Learn to turn a triple start thread in just a few minutes. First, let's give a brief overview. Introduction to the system interface. The system interface is divided into 10 areas: alarm information display and machine running status display, processing progress and time display, selection of manual cutting and automatic cutting modes, main processing menu areas, the current processing technology, display of external button linkage device, such as hand wheel speed adjustment, rapid traverse, and spindle speed adjustment, display of absolute coordinates and relative coordinates, current processing technology data input, tool offset and tool compensation input areas, general settings and technical diagnosis areas, such as languages, standard units like diameter and radius, programming methods, etc. Next, we will conduct a practical operation demonstration. Step 1. Select external cylindrical machining to perform surface treatment on the raw material. Select the automatic cycling mode. A. Click the H icon and select the outer circle process. L represents the Z-axis machining length, input 72. HD represents the X-axis machining length, input 3. TD represents single feed rate in diameter mode, input 1. F represents the tool feed rate, input 0.1. Turn on the finishing allowance button. Delta X represents the machining allowance on the X-axis, input 0.4. Delta Z represents the machining allowance on the Z-axis. FP represents the finishing allowance feed rate, input 0.1. After imputing the parameters, save the changes. Step 2. After the outer diameter machining is completed, click the H icon again and select the straight thread process under the threading mode. The cutting method selected is decreasing depth of cutting. Select center cutting as the cutting type. L represents the Z-axis machining length, input 62. Select the metric thread for the thread type. TP represents the pitch of a metric thread, input 2. HD represents the X-axis machining length. After entering the pitch, the system will automatically fill in the blanks. TD represents single feed rate in diameter mode, input 0.1. Minimum cutting depth, input 0.05. Thread retraction, input 2. Number of thread starts, input 3. After imputing the parameters, save the changes.